Happy Wednesday, everyone.
Wednesday,
Check this seat out. Not done yet, but coming along. The scuffed, ready for what? Sealer? Or?
I'm gonna paint the roof.
Oh, okay.
We have a roof and towel and a hood. We have a brake line, the roof rails are already painted when I did the door openings.
Okay.
Now when we paint the car, these cars are so tall, it just
From there down.
makes it so much nicer not to be trying to reach way over there and stay off the side.
Right. How's it going?
It's going.
Nice.
Very tricky. Very
Looks
red.
good. To come out for the engine?
Oh, for
No,
AC.
for the air conditioning.
Oh, what?
Cut this bump out. That was the whole bump for the original heater.
The ash is so close you can't even fit the mini box in there.
Oh.
Gen 2 mini.
Wow.
Coming out.
And she's gone.
And there's no more bump.
Does it fit? Is it mounted or just sitting there? Oh, there's brackets right there? Oh, okay. What's that?
The factory cluster is pretty rough, but we're going to see if we can clean it up and make it work.
Nice. What car?
The Mustang.
Okay. This is a new one of these.
Yeah. But unfortunately, none of the body lines and none of the repop stuff ever has crisp lines. This is
Right.
flat. That's supposed to be dipped. So just trying to fix it so it fits right.
You just taped it to glue in the creases?
Yep.
Nice.
If you, since there's so many
So many.
in so many different directions, if you glue the top,
You'll get it stuck.
it won't. Yeah, and if you have to pull it back up, it won't. You'll lose all your glue, and then you won't be able to get down into each little valley.
Awesome.